In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Word file to Microsoft Copilot, your personal AI companion. This simple process will allow you to seamlessly integrate your Word documents with Microsoft Copilot, enhancing your productivity and making your workflow much smoother. To get started, you'll want to locate and launch Microsoft Copilot. If you're not already familiar with it, Microsoft Copilot is an advanced AI tool designed to assist you with various tasks, from answering questions to processing documentation. It's a fantastic tool to have, particularly if you're managing multiple projects or documents. Once you've accessed the platform, direct your attention to the interface of Microsoft Copilot. Here, you'll notice an intuitive layout that is both user-friendly and designed to streamline your task management. Look for a plus icon, which is typically found in a prominent position. To add new content or files becomes straightforward by focusing on this visual element. Clicking on this plus icon will open up new possibilities for interacting with your files and content. As you click on this plus icon, you'll reveal a menu of options, one of which is adding images or files. Even if you're not tech savvy, the Copilot environment is designed to guide you naturally to where you need to go, minimizing any potential confusion. Next, you will see an option clearly marked as Add Images or Files. It's inviting and straightforward, making it nearly impossible to miss. Go ahead and click on this choice. By doing so, you're telling Copilot that you wish to bring a new file into your workspace, either for collaboration or analysis. After clicking Add Images or Files, you'll be prompted to choose the file you want to upload from your computer or cloud storage. Navigate through your directories or folders as needed and locate the Word document you're interested in integrating with Copilot. It's always a good idea to ensure the document is saved in a place where you can easily find it. This could be your desktop, a specific project folder, or an organized storage system like OneDrive or Google Drive. When you've found your document, select it by double-clicking or click once and press Open. This will initiate the upload process. You might see a progress bar or notification indicating that the upload is in progress. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. And there you have it. Your Word file is now uploaded into Microsoft Copilot. You can proceed to interact with the content, let Copilot's AI assist you in extracting or processing information, or integrate the document into your workflow however you see fit. This process taps into the power of combining traditional document management with the smart capabilities of Microsoft Copilot, ensuring your projects are not only efficiently handled, but also enriched with AI-driven insights. Thank you for following along, and I hope this has made your document management more effective.